Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Perkin Adventure. My name is Davy Kong. I'm right now in Yuma, and I'm staying to our friend Holmes. And we're trying to enjoy the Arizona weather. It's supposed to be like 72 or 73, but it's cloudy today. So today I'm going to cook a dessert. It's called a Panna Cotta con amaretto. Basics translated in English means cooked creams with amaretto liqueur, and it's basically like a custard, so without eggs. So the ingredients right here, what we have over here is sugar, amaretto, and then I have the unflavored gelatins, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extracts, and dark chocolate sauce, and the non-stick butter spray onto it, and some orange. We went to the farm in the citrus farm in Yuma. We pick up so much citrus like tangerine, orange, lemons, and grapefruit. So we're going to use some of the orange for decoration. Here we are. First thing you start over here, it's very easy to dessert. And you put the heavy cream inside the pot, gelatin, and here vanilla extract. Use a pure one. And then you put in sugar, and of course you're gonna heat it up. Hot, but not boiling. Okay, you don't want to boil the cream. So keep on stirring it. All make sure everything's mixed up real good. So I have these ramekins over here. Get a small, because as you know, when you're traveling in an RV or trailer or van, everything got to be small. Put some of those. So this will prevent it from sticking up. Okay. Cook about, I'll show you how it's going to be done. It's a very refreshing dessert, and I like it very much into it. So Yuma, let's talk about this town. I travel a little bit here and there, but we're gonna find out more when we go to downtown. It's amazing. Every time we think about Arizona, we're thinking about rocks, sand, and desert. But Arizona have mountains, lakes, and amazing. As we travel, we spend about 5 weeks in Arizona, and also while we are here, we crossed the border. We went to our friends Dan in San Felipe, Baja California. It's about 180 miles, and crossing the border is no problems at all. So it's pretty easy. Coming back to the state, so they're lying onto it. So I highly recommend it. Come down here, enjoy. I think there's a lot of homes around here. Is our snowboard. So here we are. As you see, the cream is getting, I don't know if you can see the smoke, it's getting boiled already. So it's ready to go. Okay, you don't want to boil it up, just heat up into it. It's this moment we add in the amaretto liqueur. Yes. And here we are, all set to go. All you do is simple. Pour in the ramekin. There you go. See how it goes. Wow! Unbelievable! I didn't spill anything. Probably I stopped drinking. Anyway, so what are you gonna do? You put inside the refrigerator. Overnight is great, but at least minimum 5 hours in the refrigerator until it gets nice and firm. Okay, and I will show you how to dish it out. After 5 hours, this panna cotta is ready, nice and hardened. And all you do is take it out over here, shake it up. There you go. Right here, and you put a chocolate sauce. Here, one here. This one over here. Sweetie. Sweet. Okay. Now, this is the orange we have over here. So I'm going to show you how I segment it into it. Just cut this way. Cut this lemon. I mean orange. Over here. Over here. Just circle as you go. You see the knife? Go that way. So if you miss some of those, you just go here. Okay. Anyway, here you go. You see all the segment? So you go right in between here. Cut. And cut. One of those. Okay. Cut right over here. So, okay, so that's how you take it out. See, right in between over here. So all you get is a beautiful flesh onto it. Here, right here. It's beautiful. And then now I'm gonna taste it. Very important. You're gonna taste it. Chocolate here. Well, here we are, folks. This is Panna Cotta. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will see you next cooking or traveling. Ciao, buddy. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Guys, please subscribe it. Beep, beep. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy camping.